In this video lesson, you'll discover the wiping out and washing out methods and how to use them in watercolor painting.
To demonstrate to you the wiping out and washing out painting methods, I will first make a plain wash. For this purpose, I fixed the watercolor paper sheet to the board, placed this board with a tilt of about 15 degrees, and pre-mixed blue paint in the saucer. I will skip the explanation of how to do a plain saw wash because I have already demonstrated and explained this method several times in previous video lessons. This wash is complete, and while the paper surface is still wet, I wash the brush and dry it with a paper towel so that I can use it for wiping out wet paint from the paper surface. I have to point out that the brush is not fully dry, but damp, as a completely dry brush will not take the paint so readily. You can wipe out wet paint not only with a brush, but also with a paper napkin or a towel. For the same purpose, you can also use cotton bud sticks or a piece of organic or synthetic sponge.